Welcome back. Today we are going to be diving into the Workflow Secrets properties dashboards. So if you're ready, go ahead and pull up those dashboards and let's dive in together. The units listed by agent dashboard is a dashboard that is designed to help you as an agent evaluate the number of properties listed, as well as the overall percentage of listings for each agent in your team for any given date range. This is a very simple dashboard that helps you visualize very quickly the number of units each team member has brought into your listing inventory, and can also be used to sort by any given date range to better understand how those efforts are compounding over time. We hope you've enjoyed today's lesson on all of these different dashboards. If you have any dashboard ideas that have come to mind, feel free and reach out, help@workflowsecrets.info, and you can either ask questions or give suggestions for dashboards you would like to see. Otherwise, we have some other lessons to cover. Go and scroll on down and get those started, and we'll see you there.